So we're gonna go ahead and get started with our swag bases here. I'm gonna do my best to keep you guys in view. This is gonna get big, but I'll keep you guys down here as best I can so you can see what I'm doing. So I am just going to fan these out. These have some really long pine branches, so it gets really wide. You can see how it's on the thinner side. So that's why I'm going to take and put one on top. Load it up with mesh and do it that way as well. Okay. We're going to go right on top. I'm going to take